Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving into simple yet powerful useful command that is logname. If you are a system administrator or a developer working on a Linux, especially Rocky Linux, this command can come in handy when managing user session. We will cover how it works, its option and real world use cases. This tutorial applies to the most Linux distribution, but I will be running this command on Rocky Linux. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for logname. Logname command in Linux is used to display the logname of the user who started the sessions. Unlike the whoami command, which shows the current effective user, logname returns the user who originally logged into the system. Let's see the demo. Run logname. This will output something like admin user, as I have logged in with the admin user to this system. Here, admin user is the name of the user who logged in. Many users confuse logname with whoami, but there is a key difference. Logname shows the original login user, whereas whoami shows the current effective user. For example, if you switch to root user using sudo su, the output will differ. Let's run logname and also along with whoami. This distinction is very important for scripts and automation, ensuring actions are performed based on the correct user sessions. Let's take a real world example. System administrator often write a scripts that need to behave different based on the login user. For example, if a script install a software or modify the configuration, it may need to check the actual login user before proceeding. Let's take an example. I have a script. Let me create a log name script.sh. I will add this script here. This script will check if log name is not equals to root, then you must be login as a root to run this script. This will display a echo. As I'm running with a root, let's see. I will run with bash. So here it will check the log name. Let's see why we received this output. When you run log name, you will see we have a user admin user, but we have added the condition logname should not be equal to a root. Logname always return the original login user, not the currently effective user. This means that even when running as a root, logname will still return an admin user or whichever the user originally logged in. You are logged in as an admin user and then switch to root. Logname still returns the admin user, so your script thinks you are not a root and exit. So let's see the another example like when tracking user activity, logname can be useful for logging events under the correct username and ensuring accountability. So let's run echo script executed by logname. I will redirect to where log my script.log. So here you can see we can use logname for logging and auditing. In this way, we can use it to log the event with a correct username for ensuring the accountability. So let's see the another example on multi-user system. If you need to verify who started a session, logname helps identify the original user which is particularly useful when a user switch accounts using su or sudo. Common issues or troubleshooting. Sometimes you may get a error like log name, no login name. Like this, you will get an error message. This is because on freshly booted system where no user have logged in, running logname might result no logname as an error. And in containerized environment like Docker, where there is no traditional user login session, logname may not return an expected result. If you need to retrieve the logged in user in such scenario, you can use who command and use awk and use print. So you can use this or id un. Depending on the requirement, you can use any of these command. So while the command itself is a universal, its behavior may vary based on how the system handle user sessions. And that's it for this tutorial. We have covered what the logname command does, how it differs from whoami, and the real world use cases for scripting, logging, and multi-user environments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.